So this is the Zenna Home Bathroom Space Saver. I bought off Amazon. That's the box. And this is where I'm installing it in my bathroom. This is my plan. I got my new toilet installed. You saw my last video. I didn't have my new toilet installed yet. I got that installed. I gotta still cut the bolts over here and put on the caps. I didn't get to do that yet, but I tightened it up. I got this toilet seat that, as you can see, is too small for the toilet, but that's because I got it really cheap for 19 bucks. Instead of buying the more expensive one. So anyway, made sure to replace the water line in the back. As you can see, that's brand new stainless steel water line, so we don't have any problems. But this is where it's going to go, over the toilet, and you'll see that in the next video what it looks like over the toilet and a review of it, and you can see the quality of it. And then this, I ripped out more of my bathroom tile that I got to repair. I'm planning just to do cement over this, wrap it down and just do cement and maybe color it, or I don't know, something, whatever. We're gonna figure that out. But no more tile, because tile just keeps breaking and the water gets in here and it just turns into a mess, so there's no point in doing that anymore. So we're just gonna get cement and just cement that all up. Alright, so that's it. That's my Zenna home that you're going to see installed in my next video. Thank you.